Okay, now let's continue. We're going to style the close button. Okay, the close button. I think you're going to copy these ones the way it is now. Everything here to here. Copy it. Paste it. Then we'll have to change all this open button. Call it close. Close button. So this background now will be removed. Okay, it will now be background highlight color. Okay, yes, good. Highlight color, border, highlight color, good. Then color will be white. Just get, oh sorry, yeah, color will be white. Yeah, yes, good. Okay, then think other ones. Okay, then this hover. Okay, when you hover on it, what it will do is when you hover on it, it will be a bit transparent. If you hover on it now, nothing will actually happen. Like if I insert this, though we've not created any open, any close. Okay, this one will also be closed, please. We've not created any close button yet, but we are styling it ahead. So when we create it, this style will affect it. You understand? So what will actually happen when we hover on it? It will. I don't want it to done to open when we hover on it. Okay, so I don't want a situation whereby when I hover on it, like if it's a close, if it's closed, it will be like this. This is an example of a close button. Okay, so I want, if you see, if you hover on it will be transparent. That is what I want, and that's what I want to do to the close button, even though we don't have close button here. I'm even thinking of using close button for this instead of making it white and this. I think this close button will make sense. What do you think? Or do I leave it white? Let me just see this one. This white seems to make sense too. Okay, let me leave it white. I will later make this one white. Okay, I'm only working on buttons. The default buttons I'm going to use. I will override colors when there is need. So finally, let's look at this mm, close button highlight color. Okay, here now, when you hover on it, what will happen is it will opacity. To just give it opacity of just little opacity of maybe 0.8 will be okay. That's okay. Okay, so that said, I think we are done with creating of buttons. We are now going to override this color of this button to make it, see this button, we're going to override the color, the outline color and everything to make it white. But when someone hover on it, it will change like this. Okay, but the outline will be white. This one will be white as well. We're going to override it now. All right. Okay, so let's go to structure. Let's see. Okay, open button. Maybe I will call it open button dot home. Dot home. Right? Oh, sorry. Button home. Sorry. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to override this. I'm going to make this color white now. Just come here. Gonna come down here, add it. Say open button dot home home. Okay, then make it, the outline white. I have to carry this one border. I will change this to white. So let me get where is white again? This one, yeah. Let's get white. Awesome. then color white as well. Oh, sorry, white as well. Good. So let's see what we have. So do you see that it has changed this to white? Okay. Okay, I want a situation whereby when I hover on it, the outline will also change to red. I mean to the highlight color. So let me go and do that. I don't know if this white is looking good here. Is this white looking good in this particular area? Or it's not too visible? It's not too visible. Let me use close button, close just like this one. Let me use it instead of using the white. Okay, but at least you've seen how to override color. Let me use close button like this. Okay, but I want you to observe something. If you look at it, see that I'm not doing a rounded corner to buttons or even to my objects or elements. No rounded corner. I just leave it straight like this, four corner like this. If you see all this one, that is the style I want to use for this particular one. Okay, for this particular design, I just want it to look like Windows design. If you watch Windows design, let me show you window. Do you see how window is? Window, how window design their stuff. Make it block, no curve. Even if you see their buttons, you are going to see. Let me see if I couldn't get a button. Okay, there's no button. But you can notice the designs of Windows the way it is. Okay, so you see how window design there. So I want to form that pattern of block design instead of curve. Okay, if Google actually use curve a lot, but Windows they use the more of this style. So let me try to use Windows style this time around. All right. Whew, yes. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let me now change this to close button. Okay, instead. So we are going to, sorry, we're going to go down here, change, remove this home here, change this to close button btn. Let me see how it's going to be. Okay, so you see if I hover on it, it will kind of show the environment, the background, because it is to show transparency, you understand. I think that's okay. Okay, we are good to go here. We're good to go here. So the same thing we did here, that is the same thing we're going to repeat here. Okay, we're going to repeat the process here. Then once we are done with the process, then we're done with this section for now. All right, sure. So but for now we're going to stop. But before we stop, this one will go. We don't need it anymore for now. All right, so we stop here. Then in the next tutorial we will now talk about the other two sections, okay, for the advanced sections.